Hello and welcome to another POSCatch.com product presentation, and today we are going to do a product presentation on the famous Epson TM-T88-6. This would be the newest model in the very well-known Epson TM-T88 series. It's just amazing how Epson can just make a great printer better, and so they have with the Epson TM-T88-6. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to do open the box so you can see what comes in the box with this fantastic printer. That will be part one of this video, and part two is we will do a product overview of the great features that this printer offers. So we'll get right into it and we'll open the box here, and we'll show you what comes with the printer. This right here is an accessory item. It's a cover for the printer for the back, and these are the screws for that. This item right here is a cable cover for the rear of the printer. So this is for cable management. As you can see, the cables go in there. And of course, the printer comes with a power supply. You're going to need that. This is the power brick. And it comes with the Mickey Mouse power cable. They call it the Mickey Mouse because at the end there it looks like Mickey Mouse with the two ears. It also comes with a sample roll of receipt paper. And this right here is for the internal of the printer for the paper size. See that there? It goes inside the printer. And it comes with a driver set, software application for the printer. Put that there actually. Also comes with a quick start user manual. And of course the printer itself. Let's take this box away here. As you can see, Epson does a fantastic job with their packaging. Really good. And there is the Epson TM-T88 thermal receipt printer. This one is in the what they call Epson Cool White color, and then you can also get it in the Epson Dark Gray, but the Epson Dark Gray looks closer to black. Actually, more of that color would be the Epson Dark Gray. But this is the Epson TM-T88-6, and it comes with some fantastic features. And in part two of this video, we will do a deep dive into all the features that this great printer comes with. Hello and welcome to part two of our product presentation for the latest model in the Epson TM-T88 series, the Epson TM-T88-6. Now in part one of this video we did the unboxing so you can see everything that comes in the box with this printer, and now we have everything all set up and cleaned up for you, and so now we want to do a deeper dive onto the features and functionality of this fantastic printer. So right now the printer is plugged in, but it's turned off, and the power button here is in the very front. And when you turn it on, you have your LED blue light there. It's showing that the power is on, but you're getting the warning. This is the paper out warning signal right here in the orange. Those are your warning lights right there. So to open the cover, you press down this gray button right here. You grab your roll of thermal receipt paper. This is simple drop and load, so you don't need to do anything. It is drop it in, pull out your paper like that, close it, and if you notice, the error lights have disappeared. This thermal receipt printer is a step up from its predecessor, the TM-T88VI. Interesting thing to note about the TM-T88 series is this thermal receipt printer has been on the market globally for about 2 decades, so about 20 years. The Epson TM-T88-1 came out in the late 90s, early 2000s, somewhere in there. This is actually the best-selling series receipt printer in the world, as far as I know. And with all the value and features that this printer offers, it is not surprising that it is indeed the world's best-selling thermal receipt printer, Epson TM-T88. Now, with the new line, the Epson TM-T88VI model, it comes with some additional features that you didn't get before. So there's a new thing that Epson now calls OmniLink. And OmniLink provides the ability for this printer to be easily interface with numerous different operating systems, and also for your connection. So for example, this thermal receipt printer is compatible with not only Windows, but also for Apple, Mac OS, and some Android, but it is reliant on your software vendor, your point-of-sale software vendor. It's also available in a Bluetooth model, and it comes with NFC for easy pairing with mobile devices if need be. And in addition to that, for the OmniLink, it allows it to easily integrate with cloud-based online web printing. This is an awesome new feature for this printer. The TM-T88VI, I believe, did not have that, and this, well, I think the MPOS did. That's a version of the TM-T88VI, but this comes standard with the new TM-T88VI. Another thing about the Epson TM-T88VI over the TM-T88VI is it actually prints a lot faster. This receipt printer prints at 350 millimeters a second. The print speed on this printer is just absolutely phenomenal. That's about almost 14 inches per second print speed on this particular printer right here. Not only that, it is triple interface standard. So earlier I want to show you. So triple interface, you have RS-232 serial, USB, and also Ethernet. It comes standard. The new design too is that they have a lot of the ports up here. You have your cash drawer port. They have it hidden up here to give you better cable management. Another great feature with the new Epson TM-T88VI is it allows you to connect to multiple devices simultaneously within your point-of-sale checkout system. And it comes with a stellar 4-year warranty. All in all, the Epson TM-T88VI thermal receipt printer is a receipt printer that is hard to beat on performance, value, and the longevity of life that it offers in the most demanding point-of-sale environments at the POS system. For more information about the Epson TM-T88-6, please visit POSCatch.com. We have a link to the product page of this printer down below in the description box on this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please be sure to subscribe and hit the like button below. We will be adding more videos soon on other point-of-sale hardware peripherals for your business. Thank you for watching.